Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn Chinese. As today I'm going to teaching you about Chinese vocabularies. So before the beginning, I want you to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click like, and if you not yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to get knowledge every day. Okay, let's start it together. The first word is 正确 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 It means correct. The next word is 正常 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 It means normal. The next word is 正好 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 It means just right. The next word is 正式 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 It means formal. The next word is 证明 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 It means proof or confirm. The next word is 知识知识知识知识知识 It means knowledge. The next word is 直接直接直接直接直接 It means direct or immediate. The next word is 直的直的直的直的直的 It means deserve. The next word is 职业职业职业职业职业 It means profession or occupation. The next word is 职务职务职务职务职务职务 It means plan. The next word is 职好职好职好职好 It means be forced to. The next word is 只要只要只要只要只要 It means as long as. The next word is 至少至少至少至少 It means at least. The next word is 只是只是只是只是只是只是 It means instruction. The last word is 重重重重 It means heavy. Yes, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And especially don't forget to share to your friend. And if you want to ask me some question, you can comment below this video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you next video.